Hi there. Just going to show you now how to add an editor page and add your video to Blogger. So we've set up a blog for you. You'll be getting an invitation and you need to accept that invitation to Blogger, and then you'll sign in to blogger.com and it should show you your dashboard. I've got a number of different blogs, as you can see here. You should probably only have the CIMA MRes Student Hub. When you first get the invitation, by the way, you may need to sign up to Google, to Gmail. That's useful anyway because you'll need to sign up to Gmail to actually have a YouTube account anyway. So once you've signed it up either via YouTube or from the initial email I send you as an invitation to Blogger, either way you'll be able to use the same login and password you chose to get in. So once you're into your into this area here, click on the relevant blog. So we're going to click on CIMA MRes Student Hub. And you can see the overview here, so we can see how many page views, etc. Now this blog has been set to private, so it's invite only. So I've invited you, all students as editors, sorry. So as well as the staff at Newcastle at the moment, and I'll probably roll it out to the rest of the staff on the course. See if they can make any use of it at all. So at the moment, this is the page we get to when we've clicked on the blog overview. You can go directly and find the pages by clicking on the left here to pages, and you can see which pages are available. The home page, the landing page, student videos, that's a page I've left open for you to insert your videos if you wish. Resources gives you information on how to upload to YouTube, and then I've put one called useful links. I'm not sure if I've put anything in there at the moment, but that's there and open and ready. So if you wanted to create a new page in the top menu, you just click on new page and it'll ask you for a title, and you could go in there and edit it then and actually add things to it. So let's have a view of the blog. I'll click on view blog. Because I'm logged in as an editor, it's showing me it in edit view. So at the moment I can see these little mechanics kind of tool things next to bits, and that means I can edit bits. So if I want to edit this home page, the hub home page, I just click on the pencil there and it says edit post. Click on edit post and it'll take me into the text where I've done that, and I could add a picture, etc. Click in there, go add an image if I want to, change the text, etc. And when I'm happy with it, I click update. You'll notice there's some settings on the right hand side here. Shows when it was last published. You can add labels or tags, and you've got other options, so you can decide if you want people to be able to comment on that page or not. I've left them to be for no comments because I don't want it to appear necessarily like a blog. So I've not changed anything, so I can close that page now. But if I had, I'd just click update and it would update the post to show the latest changes. Right then, so we've gone back to, so that's the main page. If I go back, I can view blog again. It will open a new tab each time you do this, by the way, and you'll see here these are the different pages I've added. Student videos, resources, useful links. And if I click on student videos, that's all there is at the moment. To edit it and to insert a video, I click on edit page, and there we go. I can pop right in there, type straight away. To insert my YouTube video, I go to the clapperboard here which says insert a video, click on that, and I've got the option to insert from YouTube, from your webcam or your phone, or my YouTube videos. So if you've already set your YouTube up and you've been in there and you've created your screencast already, you can click on my YouTube videos here, and it should, because you're logged in with the same login, it should have a look at everything you've got and be able to offer you those. If you can't find what you need there, you go to from YouTube and you can just type in your name or anything that you've given your title or the URL of your actual YouTube video. So if I put CIMA MRes, it'll probably come up with a lot of things to do with accounting, because I think CIMA has something to do with that, but it also gives me some other options. And here's a little mock-up video I did here, the doctor's surgery. So if I click on that and click select, it's inserted it now, and that's it. And I could actually add captions underneath, so I might want to put this screen produced by etc. and then maybe a bit of a description. And that would be it. You want to make sure the font's the same. I mean, I can always go in and change this if not, but you can highlight the font there. You can, let's highlight that and make it, that's actually Arial. So let's go and make this one. Where is it? There we go, Arial. And then it's the same kind of font as well. So if I'm happy with that, once I've added what I want, then I just literally click update. And that's it. And now if I wanted to view the blog, again, it will open numerous tabs for you. Click on student videos, and there it is, showing already. Okay, so so there you go. That's the MRes Student Hub. We have decided that, you know, if you feel the need to add any extra pages, any useful pages you think might be good for sharing with the group, or if you want to go into the useful links and add some links there, do go ahead. Add anything that you think will be relevant and useful for your group. You are in as editors, as I say, so it's as much your place to add things as it is for us to upload stuff. In resources, by the way, if I click on that, I've got some information about creating a screencast, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. There are other things like Screener and other versions you can use. Any of those. Some have different amounts of time you're allowed. So Screencast-O-Matic allows you up to 15 minutes. It is free and you don't have to download it. So you can run it straight from your computer, but you're only allowed one video at a time. So once you finish with one, save it to you as a hard copy to your hard drive and then delete it and start again. So if I scroll down, there's information about editing your video, and I'll try and remember I've put here to add some links to some free software. I use Camtasia if I want to edit my video. If I've done a quick one like today, there's not much need to edit it really. I just really want to get the information over quickly. Then there's no need to edit, so I'll just upload it directly to YouTube. Whereas once I've saved it. Whereas if you've done a lot of stopping and starting and you're in the middle of maybe 10 minutes in and you make a mistake and you really don't want it there, then you probably want to go and edit and remove that and cut that part out. Below that, how to upload your video into YouTube. You can leave it as what we've got, unlisted or private. I tend to use unlisted a lot in YouTube rather than public, unless I do obviously want the world to see it. If it's unlisted, obviously it means that nobody else can search on it. So I get the link, I can give the link to you and anybody else, and you can pass it on. But other than that, that's the only way somebody's going to see it. They can't find it in the search in YouTube or on Google. Embedding your video into Blogger, so what I've just shown you now, and a bit of information about copyright. Anything you add to the blog, even though this is private, it is still being published on the web, so it must be your own material, or you must have got permission to use it. So the same goes with your PowerPoint. If you're using images, they must either be your own images, or you must ask permission to use them and then reference them. Okay, so that's in a nutshell the MRes Student Hub. I hope you make some good use of it, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thanks very much.